Welcome back everyone, I'm Gary
And I'm Kanchan.
and today we are at the beautiful Amber Fort.
The construction of this fort was actually started in the 16th century and it continued for I think about 3 generations.
And this place is absolutely beautiful, orange in color, and I'll show you guys around. There's walls on all the mountains surrounding us and it's just magnificent. Just check out, I don't know, hopefully you can see there's walls all the way up there and they go pretty much everywhere. It's a breathtaking property. Right behind me is Jagger Fort, and it's meant to be a defense fort where they used to have all the military, all the people ready to go to war, and that's primarily where they used to hold food, all the strategic items right there. So try and come here really early, like 7:30, 8 o'clock, otherwise you get this massive crowd, as you can see. Also, another interesting fact, the kings here were like so close with the Islamic culture, especially the king from Agra, Akbar the Great, the dynasty of the Mughal Empire, that basically they had connections with the Turkish and the Iranian architects who built this beautiful monument back there. You can clearly see the Islamic artwork and the beauty of what you would normally see in Persia or Turkey. How nice is it?
Right, so all the glass that you see on this structure was actually imported all the way from Belgium. So that's amazing. Welcome to the tourist trap.
So we actually got caught up in this tourist trap. The driver, and it was actually a hotel car as well. They brought us down to this 2-story shop, and it's literally
Just
yelling.
like the tourists.
It's screaming tourist trap. We might buy something because we had to do some shopping anyway. But yeah, be careful.
After a full day of exploring, it's time for some traditional food. Can't wait to dig into this thali. Look how beautiful it is.
But that looks really good.
Oh, this roti with butter. Oh my gosh. And some dal.
I've just got a papar here.
Which don't mind. Oh, the roti is so nice and fresh, and dal just tastes amazing. I love dal.
Yum yum. We will see you guys at the next destination, which is Nagar Fort. Alright guys, we've come to our last destination called Nagar Fort. It's quite nice. It's a beautiful drive to come up here. It's on a hill. Very old. You got the view of the city. There's a stepwell right here. This is definitely one of the places to visit when in Jaipur. there were 9 queens, and all these rooms were basically connected with each other. And the king was married to 9 women. And there's like this secret walkway that king used to be able to just go to whichever queen he wanted to hang out with. So yeah, there you go. That's some interesting facts for you about this fort. It's beautiful, less crowd here. So definitely do check it out because it's a beautiful drive just to come up here.
Hi guys, if you have liked our journey so far through India, don't forget to click subscribe and like the video. Bye!